Hello students, today we are going to start your Maths 2 first chapter similarity. Before starting this chapter I want to explain about ratio. Already we know that ratio. What is the ratio? See that I will give you some examples here. A and B. The numbers A and B are in proportion, or the ratio of the numbers A and B. Here the ratio of numbers A and B is A upon B, or A is to B. Another example, the numbers M and N are in proportion, or the ratio of M and N is written A upon B, or A is to B. This is the ratio. Now we are considering here area of triangle. We already know that what is area of triangle. The formula for area of triangle is 1 upon 2 base into height. 1 upon 2 base into height is the area of triangle. ABC here, base that is BC, height AD. We can write like this: 1 upon 2 base BC, height AD. This is the ratio of, this is the area of triangle. Any triangle we can find by the formula 1 upon 2 into base into height. Now here we are considering two triangles. Triangle ABC and triangle PQR. But here we are taking the ratio of areas of two triangles. So what is the ratio of areas of two triangles? Here our first triangle is triangle ABC. Our first triangle is triangle ABC, and another triangle is triangle PQR. Now here we are considering the ratio of areas of two triangles. Here area of ABC, that triangle area of ABC, what coming? 1 upon 2 into base into height. In triangle ABC, AD is perpendicular to BC. That means here AD is height of the triangle. So what is the ratio of area of that ABC triangle? 1 upon 2 base BC into height AD. Now second triangle, that is PQR. Here what is the area of triangle PQR? Same formula is that 1 upon 2 into base into height. That is 1 upon 2 base QR into height PS. By using formula we have written here ratios of areas of two triangles. Now here 1 upon 2 is cancelled. What remained? BC into AD upon QR into PS. This is the ratio of areas of two triangles. That is triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Triangle ABC upon triangle PQR is equal to BC into AD upon QR into PS. Here we can make sentence of this. What is that? The ratio of areas of two triangles is the ratio of product of their bases and corresponding heights. We can write in short like this: area of first triangle upon area of second triangle is equal to B1 into H1. B1 means base of first triangle, H1 means height of first triangle, upon B2 into H2. In short, we can write this first property. This is the first property. What is the first property? The ratio of areas of two triangles is the ratio of product of their bases and corresponding heights. We can write, similarly we can write like this: A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 into H1 upon B2 into H2. This is our first property. What is the first property? The first property is the ratio of areas of two triangles is the ratio of product of their bases and corresponding heights. Okay. Now second property. This is the first property. Suppose if the heights are equal, the heights are equal of these two triangles. That means here h and here also h. We can take another number also. Suppose this height is 3 centimeter, this is also 3 centimeter. Then what is the ratio? A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 into H, B2 into EH. Here H is cancelled, so we will get here A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2. And this is the second property. What is the second property? The ratio of areas of two triangles with equal heights is the ratio of their corresponding bases. What is the second property? See that the ratio of areas of two triangles with equal heights is the ratio of their corresponding bases. This is the second property of this first chapter. Okay. Now third. What is the third property? See that. First we have taken here heights equal. Suppose if the bases are equal. Bases are equal means here we have taken B1 and B2. So B1 and B2 are equal. Then what is the ratio of areas of two triangles? See that B1 multiplied by H1 upon B2 multiplied by H2. Here B1, B2 are equal, so it is cancelled. What we will get? Here we will get A1 upon A2 is equal to H1 upon H2. Then we can make sentence of this property. What is the statement? See that property, third property of this. See that the ratio of areas of two triangles with equal bases is the ratio of their corresponding heights. What? See once again, third property is the ratio of areas of two triangles with equal bases is the ratio of their corresponding heights. This is the third property. First property we have seen already. What is the first property? The ratio of areas of two triangles is the ratio of product of their bases and corresponding heights. What is second property? The ratio of areas of two triangles with equal heights. What we have taken here? Equal heights. Then what is the ratio? The ratio of areas of two triangles with equal heights is the ratio of their corresponding bases. Okay. What is the third property? If the bases are equal, that means the ratio of areas of two triangles is with equal bases is the ratio of their corresponding heights. These are the three properties. Now fourth also I want to include here. Suppose both bases